please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more tutorial videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Backbench's Classroom. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Kali Linux without installing on your system. Even you can use all the features of it without installing. Okay? So guys, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So without wasting time, let's get started. Guys, to run the Kali Linux, here I'm going to use Oracle VM Virtualbox software. Okay? Even you can use VMware Workstation software too. Guys, here we don't have to create any virtual machine. Okay? Just minimize it. Go to the Google Chrome or any browser and type for kali.org. Okay? And then hit on enter button. And then go to the download section and then search for virtual machine section, this one. Okay, now guys, you have to download any one of this. Okay, if you are using VirtualBox software in your host system, then download this, and if you are using VMware, then download this. Okay, as you can see, I am using here Oracle VM VirtualBox. Okay, that's why guys, I will download this VirtualBox ISO file. So download this by clicking over here. And guys, I'm not gonna download it because I have already downloaded it earlier. Guys, after downloading, you have to extract this file by using any WinRAR software or any zip software. As you can see here, I'm using 7-zip. After extraction, you will get this folder. Okay, guys, after extraction, you have to open the folder, and there you can see these two kind of files. One is VBox file and another is VDI, which is virtual hard disk. Okay, you have to run this file. Just double click on it. As you can see guys, here the virtual machine is automatically added. And guys, for this you don't need to create a new virtual machine. Okay, now guys, let's run this virtual machine by clicking on this option. Okay, as you can see guys, here the virtual machine has started. Now we have to wait. Here is our Kali Linux. Choose any option. Here I'm going to choose this one option and then hit enter button. Okay, it will take some time to load. You have to keep wait until it finishes the loading. Okay, so guys, I'm going to first forwarding the video. See guys, here is logo appeared of Kali Linux. Now it will ask for the login. Here you have to type default username and password, which is Kali, and password also same. Okay, now click on login button to login. See guys, here is our Kali Linux, which is running virtually without installation. Even you can use every features, every tool on this Linux. Okay, even you can use hacking, vulnerability, every tools. Okay, so guys, that's how you can use Kali Linux without installing. If you like the video, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.